Hey guys, and welcome back to a new update for the aiomatic plugin. So this was highly requested by you guys and I listened to you guys, as today the aiomatic plugin got updated and it is able to now create longer articles with a new content creation method. So until now the plugin was able to create also longer articles, but if the articles were very long, the content might have had some glitches, and I created an update to solve this today. So let me show you how this new plugin update will work. Please update to the latest version of aiomatic 1.2.2 to benefit of these changes, and go to bulk AI post creator, and let me show you real quick how to create the posts in the plugin using the new method. So if you already have rules set up in the plugin, you will see that a new post creation mode section selection was added, and here you will be able to select topic or sections based posting or title based posting. So the old method is title based posting. If you want to stick with the old method, this is possible. You can select here title based posting and all the settings will remain that you used until now in aiomatic. But if you want to switch to the new posting method, which will create articles in sections, and you will be able to write prompts for the intro of the article, for each section of the article, and also for the outro of the article. And if you want to switch to this new method, you can select topic sections based posting. And here you will see many new settings filled until here. So down from here are the older settings which were in the plugin already, and from here are all new settings. I will be going ahead and creating a new post with this new method real quick, and afterwards I will come back here and explain each and every settings that will be found here, so you guys get a better understanding of how the plugin will work. Okay, so now let's go in and for example write a new article using the topic sections based posting, and let's write 3 to 4 sections with 2 paragraphs per section, and also for example how to gain muscle fast in the gym without effort. Okay, so let's create a new article with this settings, and let's run this. We can also check our front page of the site, it's empty, and now the plugin will go ahead and it will create first the section. So it will go in, and this is the prompt it will use to create the sections. The sections are actually the headings of the article. So this is similar to how the single AI post creator works, if you are familiar with it. So this will work here, and I will explain how the new posting method works in the bulk AI post creator. So in the single AI post creator, you could enter a topic, generate title, or generate everything based on this topic. If you don't want to generate the title based on the topic, you can enter the title directly and generate sections based on this title. So for example, I enter WordPress programming in PHP, and we can generate, for example, 3 sections, and this will generate these 3 sections. So these are the headings which will be set in the auto created post also. So how to gain muscle fast, breaking down the basics of muscle building, working out with intention, supercharging your growth potential, unlocking muscle gain success without effort. And as you can see, the article is longer now, and it also has an intro and outro. So this is really important, as the high quality articles will be able to be created using this new posting method, which are also longer. As you can see, this is a pretty long post, but we can also make it much longer, as we can increase the sections count here to unlimited number of sections. So you can increase this to unlimited, as the section count from here will, you can even set it to 100 sections if you want, and you can generate long paragraphs per section. So for example, you can increase the content here with so it can be increased very much. Also, you can benefit of the new features, and let me show you how to do setup with this new features of the plugin, as I will go ahead and delete the post now. So let's delete the imported post, and let me show you now how to go ahead and create longer articles, add images between sections, add YouTube videos between sections, or even auto generate our titles. Because if we don't want to use this title and we want to generate an AI created title just based on a topic, then we will be able to do this. So for this, let's click settings here. Be sure to select topic as sections based posting, and write here a topic. So work out in gym. This is the topic, and based on this topic we can send the plugin the command that, hey, generate article titles for me based on this topic. So if you enter a topic here, this title will not be used anymore to create posts and articles, and the plugin will actually automatically generate the titles for you based on this topic. And you can change the prompt that will create article titles here. So this is the AI prompt that will be sent to the AI content writer. Write a title for the article about topic in language, style, writing style, tone, writing tone. So you can change these variables and their values here. So content language, you can select a language or write it. There are many languages supported. Just type in your language and the plugin will be able to create content for it. Writing style, similarly you can enter your own writing style. Many writing styles are available. Writing tone, similarly many writing tones are available, and this will replace the writing style, writing tone and language. The topic variable will be replaced by this, and this will be the prompt that will be sent to the AI, so it generates a title for us. Okay, so this is the random AI generated title feature, and afterwards we can create sections for the post. You can enter a static list of post sections, but this is optional, and I really don't recommend that you add your own sections here, as if you add your sections, these sections will be used for all posts created by this rule, and you might not want this. If you want, you can add your own sections, but be sure to rewrite them or to modify them or to make them unique. Okay. So number of sections to generate. This is how many sections should the plugin automatically generate. This can be set also in ranges, as you can see, so 3 or 4 sections. 3 to 4, you can increase the range 3 to 7 if you wish, or you can simply add 4, and in this case the plugin will generate 4 sections. And let's leave this to 5. Number of paragraphs per section, how much content should be included in each section. In this case it's 2 paragraphs. Number of images to add to the article, so for example we can add 3 images to the article. Number of YouTube videos, a YouTube video should be added. These are the languages which will be replaced by so this will replace these values of these shortcodes. Also, article intro prompt. The article will have an intro as you saw earlier, and you can disable this by simply clearing the value of this settings field of the article intro prompt, or you can also edit it to make it unique. Intro prompt model, you can select between models. Article sections prompt, this will be used to create the sections. So similar to how the single post creators create sections here, this will create also the sections, which will be set as headings for the articles. The model to be used for the sections. Add sections to content as H2, H3 or other. Content prompt. So this is the prompt that will be written for each and every content, and this will run for each section. So if you want to edit this, you can, and this will be applied to each section. So for example, current section will be the section title of the current section which the plugin is processing. So for example, it got returned unlock the power of WordPress through programming, and this will be replaced. The current section shortcode will be replaced with this text, and afterwards when the content is returned, it will go to this section, and this section will get its content also generated, and so on. So the plugin will now generate content in modules, not just one shot content and post it, or because now it will create sections and it will create the content for each section separately. So this is a new method that I came up in the latest update, and this is included in this topic based or sections based posting method. You can also make the plugin to run only a single time and not for each section, and to create the content based on a single content generation. This is similar to how the plugin worked before, and in this case I recommend that you change this prompt to something similar like you have here in the prompt settings for the content, as you can write, for example, write an article about title in language, should have the following section headings, write paragraphs per section, paragraphs per heading. But keep in mind, because OpenAI currently has a limited number of characters it can return at each API request, the article length will be limited if you make only one API request if you check this checkbox. So if you uncheck this checkbox, this will be executed for each section, and unlimited length articles will be able to be created. Article outro prompt, the same, and the plugin will create an outro for the article. Excerpt, the plugin will create also an excerpt for the article. If you want to delete this or not make this work, simply remove this prompt, and from here down the options remain the same also as in the previous version. So now let me go ahead and create 6 sections with 2 paragraphs per section, 3 images and 1 video, and we will have a AI generated title in this topic. So let's save, and all we have to do is run the plugin. We will be keeping refreshing this page, and keep in mind aiomatic is linked in this video's description, as today's update will bring much quality to you guys, I hope. And keep in mind this feature is still fresh, and it might have issues, or if you have any suggestions to make it better, I am glad to read the comments from this video from below, and I will think on them and also implement them if they are good suggestions. Okay, so let us check the plugin generating content here. You might note that the plugin will generate content in longer times, because in this new method there will be many more API requests. So the plugin will create content for each section that we create, and we have 6 sections plus the intro plus the outro plus the title plus the excerpt. So we will make many API calls to OpenAI, not as before, because before we created a single burst request for the OpenAPI and we got the content from there. So this is it. Gym workouts, get ready to sweat. A little intro, a suggestive image, a suggestive video, gearing up for a sweaty workout, get ready to exercise, and here it is, related image, working out Planet Fitness style, and here it is also a gym, creating the perfect workout plan. So you can add more images like this if you increase the number of images to add to the article. As you can see, we have only 3 images added, and we can make this 6 or even 8, as you can add the maximum number of images that you can add is the number of sections plus 2. So I added the +2 because because the plugin will add also an image in the intro and the outro of the article. Okay, so let's check the article until the end. So the 6 sections and also the outro is here. Okay, so as you can see, this article is already pretty long. You can go ahead and create unlimited number of sections, basically, and unlimited number of high quality articles using this new feature of the plugin. Add into them also videos, images, as many as you wish. And yeah, keep in mind that you should go to main settings and set improve royalty-free image featured image precision using OpenAI if you use royalty-free images to be imported to articles. And as in this case, the plugin will extract the most relevant keyword from the title and the section titles and will use it to create our content or images. Okay, so this is a side note. You can set here extract the comma separator list of keywords for this text. Okay, so yeah, this is basically the new feature of the plugin. Let me show you also how an article will look when we have 4 images, 4 sections, 1 YouTube video, and 3 paragraphs per section, and to get more content on each section. And keep in mind, you can also increase this to unlimited amount. So the imagination is the only limit on this. Also, the one more thing to specify is that images will be generated based on what you set here. So AI image source, if you set here royalty free, then royalty free images will be created and added to your content. If you set OpenAI, then the DALL-E 2 API will be used to add images to your content, or you can select also stability.ai, but this is available only if you add the stability.ai API key in the main settings of the plugin. Okay, so let's wait this until it completes and we can check the article, and this shall conclude today's video. So generating might take a bit longer, but we will have the article real fast. And here it is, getting fit in the gym, a guide. How long does it take to see results? Steps to take in achieving your fitness goals, creating fitness plan, knowing the right kind of exercises, and sticking to your workout and being motivated. Okay, and this is the outro. Okay guys, so this concludes today's videos. Check aiomatic, it is linked in this video's description. I hope this new feature will provide you quality content, and as always, like, share, subscribe It's really appreciated, and comment any thoughts that you might have. Until next time, this is all. Bye bye.